Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dhodi. Today the topic of my presentation, sources of finance. What is finance? Definitions. Finance. This is money. Sources of finance. This is where we get finance, money from. Types of finance. Internal finance. Finance obtained from within the business. External finance. Finance obtained from outside from business. Types of finance. Short term 1 to 3 years, medium term 3 to 10 years, long term over 10 years. Internal sources of finance. Retained profit, the profit left after all expense have been paid. Advantages. It doesn't need to be paid back. Disadvantages. The profit of a small business may be too low to be of use. A new business won't have any retained profit. Sales of asset. This is when a company sells old asset which it no longer needs. Advantages. Saves space as told assets are no longer there. It makes better use of business capital. Disadvantages. New business won't have any asset to sell. It's time consuming and the business might not find a buyer. Owners saving. The owners of the business can use their savings as finance in the business. This only available to sale traders and partnership. Advantages. Quickly available. No interest will need to be paid. Disadvantages. The owner might not have enough savings. It very risky due to unable liability. External sources of finance. Bank overdraft. This allows the company to spend more money from their account than it's actually in it. Disadvantages. It's easily arranged and flexible. Cheap as the company only has to pay interest on the amount overdrawn at any one time. Disadvantages. The bank can ask for the overdraft to be repaid whenever they want to and with short notice. Cannot be used to finance long-term assets. Interest need to be paid. Bank loan. This is where a business borrow money from a bank for a period of 1 to 10 years. Advantages. The business can easily plan ahead as the interest rate is fixed. Large business can get lower interest rates as they are more reliable. Good for both long term and short term. Disadvantages. Small companies will need to pay higher interest rates. Interest need to be paid. Hire purchase. Allow a firm to pay for an item over a long period of time in the form of monthly payments. Advantages. The business will not have to find a lot of money to buy the item. Disadvantages. Interest rates are very high. It may be better to take out a bank loan. A cash deposit need to be paid at the start. Mortgages. Long-term loans usually used to buy land or buildings. Payments are made over a period of 25 years. Advantages. Very long term gives the business a long time to repay the money. Disadvantages. If payments are not made, the bank will take ownership of the buildings or land. Interest need to be paid. Issue of shares only available to limited companies. Private limited companies can sell shares to friends and family. Public limited companies can sell shares to the general public. Advantages does not have to be repaid. No interest. Status and reputation of a company can be raised. Having shareholders increase the financial security of the business. Disadvantages dividend need to be paid to shareholders. Issue shares take time and requires lots of paperwork. Debenture holders lend the company money which will need to be repaid over a long period of time used to finance long term expense. Advantages very long term up to 25 years. Disadvantages interest must be paid. Thank you.